Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everybody's enjoying their day today. It is a beautiful day outside today, so I figured we would do a late lunch, early dinner barbecue style. So I wanted to go ahead and make my salad. We're going to be making a couscous salad with tomatoes and mint. It is so good, perfect for spring and summer. Any kind of barbecue is just delicious. Very easy to make, and it's got a lot of fresh vegetables. So let's go over everything you're going to need, and we'll get the salad started in the fridge so when we eat later this afternoon it will be ready to go. Okay guys, so this is everything you're going to need. Like I said, it's got a lot of vegetables in here. Well, not a lot, it's a few, but it's still absolutely delicious. So we're going to start off back here with the couscous. Now, they did not have any of the regular couscous, so I just picked up the roasted garlic and olive oil, but you can use whatever kind you have on hand or that you want to pick up at the grocery store. It'll work just fine. I've also got some olive oil, some salt and pepper. Down here I've got some pine nuts, some lemon zest, green onions or scallions, lemon juice, tomatoes. They did not have any grape tomatoes at the store, so I just bought a couple of regular size tomatoes and then just chopped them up. A cucumber, some mint, and I can smell this mint, and I just love everything mint. It smells so fresh and clean. So I've got some mint and some parsley. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention, you're also going to need 2 cups of some very hot water. So I just boiled mine in the tea kettle and just measured out 2 cups. So I've got my couscous here. I'm going to add that to my bowl because I want to get this going first because it's got to sit. And I've got my little seasoning packet here. You don't have to add this if you don't want to. It's just going to add a little bit more flavor to this, so why not, right? We got that. We're going to add a little bit of salt, not too much because I don't know how much salt is in this packet. You can always add more later. I'm also going to add just a little bit of olive oil to this, about 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to add in my lemon zest right in there. And that's going to give it a really bright flavor, fresh flavor that pairs well with the parsley and the mint. So I want to give this a little stir before I add in my hot water, and then we will cover it and let it do its thing. So I'm going to go ahead and add in all of my water. You can do chicken broth if you want. And then I'm just going to give this a stir. And I'm going to just put a little plate on top and let it do its thing. Okay, to our bigger bowl, we're going to go ahead and add in the other 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and this is going to make a nice little dressing, along with our lemon juice, some pepper, some salt. Then we are going to just mix this up until it's well combined. Okay, and now we're just going to wait until the couscous is done. It shouldn't take much longer because it only takes about 5 minutes to sit, which I've got it sitting on the back counter over here. So I'm just going to let this hang out for a few minutes while the couscous finishes up, and then we will add everything else. Okay guys, so I just removed the plate from the top of the couscous, and then I just went in with a fork and then just fluffed it up. That's all I did. So now we are going to just give this a little mix before we add in all of the vegetables. Okay, so now all you're going to do is add in the remaining of your ingredients. So I've got my onions, my tomato, cucumber, my pine nuts, which you're going to need, I don't know, about 1/4 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup. But I'm going to save a little bit of these for the top, just for garnish, make it look pretty. Set that to the side. Add in just about all of the mint. I want to leave some for the top. Same as the parsley. And then we're just going to give this a little toss just to help mix it together. Then we are going to add in our couscous into the bowl. Okay, so I've got this all mixed up and it smells so good. So I'm going to give this a taste just to see if I need to add any more salt and pepper or lemon juice. That is good. So I'm just going to sprinkle some more parsley right on top, just for some color, and the rest of my mint, and the rest of my pine nuts. So now, all I'm going to do is cover this with some plastic wrap, pop this in the refrigerator so it can get nice and cold, and then we will serve this for a side dish for dinner. We're going to grill up some zucchini and squash with some sausage for some sausage dogs, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So yeah, I will show you what we have for dinner. Okay guys, so I've got my zucchini and my squash here, and I've just got them simply seasoned with a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper. I've got my sausage here, and I've got some cucumber there. We're going to serve that along the side as well because we need to use that up before it goes bad. But yeah, I will show you what these look like once I get the grill hot and I put them on the grill. Okay guys, so I've just got my sausage dogs here and they're almost done. I've got my squash here. I've still got to put on the zucchini. I've got a casualty right down there. She didn't make it, but it's going to be okay. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so this is what everything looks like when it's done. I've got my couscous salad right back here. I've got my cucumbers, my sausage dogs, and my squash and zucchini. So I'm going to go ahead and make us a plate and dig in. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to tick that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. We're going to go enjoy some dinner, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.